Okay, Maxie wants to go out. So we're gonna let him out. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh, I can't get the door open. Holy crap. Buddy, I can't get the door open. Okay. I gotta sweep before I get you out. I gotta sweep to get you out, buddy. Hang on. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, Max. Max, come on. Oh, holy crap. Come on, Maxie. Come on. Come on, get out there. Go on. Go on, buddy. Come on, honey. Come on, Maxie. Come on out. Whoa. That kid's really got to go. Let me turn the light off. Maybe that's better. Can't even see him. Holy smokes. Okay, just go to the bathroom. Oh, he's confused. He doesn't even know where to go. Oh my gosh. Just go potty anywhere, honey. It doesn't matter. Oh my God, look at him. Really gotta go. There he goes, he's going. Can't even see. Can barely even see my dog. Oh, the poor thing. Here he comes. He's coming back in. He's like, screw it. Good boy. Oh my God. Good boy, Maxie. All right, we're coming in.